sunap ko kena. Ngingo idem ko kena kai. Kombakane kasih kena kasih kawakerpang. Kamera pengkrep pengkrum. Kata saya kasih kode.
Is not just about looking back, it is also about rejoicing in the present and envisioning the future. Your achievement, whether in academia, sports, arts, or community service, are worth celebrating. They are a testament to the diligence of the students of this college, the dedication of the faculty, and the unwavering support of the families and well-wishers. As we rejoice in this accomplishment of St. Khasi College, we must also look ahead with a renewed sense of purpose. The journey of St. Khasi College does not end here. Rather, it takes on a new dimension as we set our right sights on the next 50 years.
St. Khasi are not predominantly practicing the traditional language. This institute caters to citizens from across the state who have their own religious practices. We must ensure that we will be able to be empowered with a language that is recognized by the government of India. We are fighting for this. However, in preparation of all the documentation that is required, we, the government of Meghalaya, would expect St. Khasi College to be one premier institute that will help us present our unique case to the government of India. I wish to see that from your generation of individuals, there will rise people who can man the Northeastern Hill University yourselves. There will be doctors, specialists, nurses and other paramedical forces who will man the state ourselves. We need our citizens to aspire to be able to crack the IAS. Gone are the days of traditional education. You have to branch into professional and education which is not mainstream education. But I know one thing, Meghalaya is here to stay. Meghalaya will continue to do well, and we will continue to be there to push the people of our state forward to greater heights.
รัฐบาลก้าวกระชายใหญ่นี้